Bangkok can be confusing to navigate, so if you're feeling lost with all the transport options, don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're already here or planning your trip, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get around smoothly. I'm Sajid. I've been living in Bangkok for about a year now, and in that time, I've figured out what works, what doesn't, and how to travel the city without the stress. From trains and boats to buses, taxis, and ride apps, I'll keep it simple. This guide is based on real-life experience, not a brochure. I'll also share some smart tips to help you avoid common mistakes, save time, and travel on a budget. Let's get started, and by the end, you'll be navigating Bangkok like a pro. The BTS Skytrain is one of the fastest and cleanest ways to move around Bangkok. It's fully air-conditioned, avoids traffic, and is a lifesaver during rush hours. There are two main lines, Sukhumvit and Siloam, connecting some of the city's most popular spots, such as Siam Station, the heart of Bangkok shopping, with malls like Siam Paragon, MBK Center, and Siam Discovery. Mo Chit Station, home to Tuk-Tuks Weekend Market, Thailand's largest outdoor market, and the nearby Tuk-Tuks Park. Asak Station, perfect for shopping at Terminal 21. Connecting to the MRT subway and exploring Sukhumvit nightlife. Bangwa Station, the gateway to the Thonburi area and a connection to the MRT Blue Line for riverside adventures. Fares range from 17 to 62 baht, and you can buy single journey tickets or get a rabbit card to tap in and out quickly. BTS Skytrain can get packed during rush hours, especially between 7 o'clock to 9 a.m. and 5 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. If you want a smoother ride, travel before or after these peak times. Leave priority seats for monks, pregnant women, seniors, and people with disabilities. It's a big sign of respect in Thailand. The MRT is Bangkok's rapid transit system, with both underground and elevated lines. It's just as good as the BTS clean, reliable, and air-conditioned. There are 4 lines, but the Blue Line and Purple Line are the most useful for visitors. The Blue Line connects Chinatown, Hua Lamphong Station, Tuk-Tuks, and other key places. Fares start at 17 baht and go up to about 45 baht. You can use tokens, stored value cards, or just tap your Visa or MasterCard. During rush hours, if your route allows it, switch from the BTS to the MRT instead. It's usually less packed, just as fast, and a lot more comfortable. Don't eat, drink, or chew gum on the MRT. It's strictly not allowed, and locals respect this rule. You can use the MRT to reach to both Suvarnabhumi Airport and Don Mueang Airport. It's a budget-friendly option. But keep in mind, you'll need to transfer to another train line along the way, and the trains don't have space for big suitcases. If you've got heavy luggage or are traveling during rush hour, Ride app or a taxi might be more comfortable. If you want to explore Bangkok from the water, try the Chao Phraya Express boat. It is an amazing experience and very affordable. The Chao Phraya Express boat is best for visiting temples, markets, and riverside spots. The orange flag boat is what locals use, just 15 baht per ride. It's quick, efficient, and ideal if you're comfortable with a bit of hustle. You'll see workers, students, and vendors riding it during rush hours. The blue flag boat is more tourist-friendly, slower paced, with clear stops, announcements, and space for photos. A day pass costs around 150 baht, perfect if you're sightseeing all day. The Sansop Canal boat cuts through the center of the city. It's fast and cheap, just 10-20 baht, but be ready to hop on and off fast. Sit on the right side of the boat going south for the best views of temples and landmarks. Buses are the most affordable way to travel. Fares start at 8 baht. Some buses have AC, some don't. Old buses are common, but you'll also see clean, electric, Thai Smile buses. These charge a flat 30 baht and even offer day passes. Bangkok Mass Transit Authority, also known as BMTA, operates most public buses, covering the entire city and even some outer zones. Use the Via Bus app or Google Maps for real-time bus tracking. It makes things much easier. Not all drivers speak English, and signage can be in Thai, but it's a true local experience. Taxis are everywhere. Make sure the driver turns on the meter. If not, politely decline and take the next one. Tuk-Tuks are iconic. You'll see them everywhere in Bangkok. They're fun for a short ride, but can be expensive. Make sure to negotiate the fare before you hop in. If it's your first time in the city, it's a cool experience. Just think of it more as an adventure than your daily ride. Motorbike taxis are great for short distances and cutting through traffic, especially during peak hours. Always wear a helmet on a motorbike and avoid motorbikes in the rain. Apps like Grab, Bolt, and InDrive work just like Uber. Prices are fixed before the ride, and you can pay with cash or card. Great for tourists or if you don't speak Thai. Bolt app is often cheaper, but Grab has better reliability and more car types. Some parts of Bangkok are great for walking, like Chinatown, Ratnakosin, Old Town, and parks like Lumpini and Benjikiti. Bangkok also has Pun Pun bike stations. a bike-sharing system. But the city isn't very bike-friendly on main roads. Better to bike inside parks or quiet neighborhoods. Use pedestrian crossings and bridges when available. Motorbikes often don't stop at zebra lines. That's your complete transportation guide for Bangkok, from BTS and MRT to boats, buses, apps, and beyond. Whether you're here for a few days or planning to stay longer now, you can explore Bangkok like a local. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Glide and Guide, and drop your questions or tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Sajid, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.